You was my dude. I said that I loved you. I told me my best friend and right now I don't know who you turned into.
Subscribe below. You'll see other links below in the description. Subscribe below. And there'll be other links there will be other links in the description. Compare prices, flagship phones, other phablets, tablets, whatever they call it. Alright, I'll probably have a lot of bloopers in this one. Thanks. Hey folks, Qua again. This is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 4. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. It's a octa-core processor, 5.5 screen display, 13 megapixel fingerprint sensor support with the metal body, 4000 or 4100 mAh on the battery. Depending on what you want to use it for, this could be for you, or it could not. Basically, I want to use it to fly my drone. And the drone I want to fly is a DJI Mavic Pro. Alright, so here it is. So what was included is the manual, the warranty, micro USB. I think this is the European plug. I'm not sure, but I did come up with the adapter. Here it is. It's very responsive. Okay, day 2. Like I said, I love it. Just a finger recognition, so fast. I've got 2 fingers, right hand, left hand. It's pretty good, responsive. I charged it up last night to 100%, and it is still 73% now. 24 hours later, well, I'm sorry, more than 12 hours later from it being 100%. Whereas the iPhone, little iPhone, would have already died. So compared to less than 2000 mAh to 4000 mAh, big difference. I was hoping that it wouldn't drain fast like my friend would probably suggest, and I thought that was a good suggestion. So this is a good test for one day or the second day. And so yeah, I spent a lot of times downloading apps here and such, but yeah, there's also a one-handed mode as such, and I can just tap there. And I'm learning a lot of things, like how to add tabs or take away tabs or whatnot. Close all. Okay. So I can go back, and then I can see all my open apps and stuff, and I can close them all out. But overall, for day 2, pretty good phone. I'm happy so far. This case is pretty awesome. Okay guys, so I'm gonna attempt to connect the Xiaomi to my Mavic Pro. So I've already changed the USB cable, a mini USB to micro USB here, and so yeah, I'm gonna give it a try even with the case. Alright, fits good. Bring that all the way in there. Check it out, guys. Fits even with the case. Sweet. So I'm gonna go ahead and check my Mavic Pro for updates. Okay. Sweet, look at that. We're checking version. Latest version. Notification will disappear. There we go. Go fly. Wow, this connects a lot better and faster than my iPhone. Amazing. The latest. Everything looks normal, looks good. Flight position, aircraft battery. Wow. Okay, yeah, of course we don't have SD card. Ignore that. Wow, look at that. Awesome. Even with the case. This is too good to be true. This is the reason why I bought this phone. And now to find out it fits even with the phone case. And wow, I'm very, very pleased with this phone so far. It's only day 2, but compared to what I had before, yeah, so far I'm very happy. And this is what I've been waiting for. So there you have it with the connecting to Mavic Pro with the Xiaomi Note 4 Redmi. It's a phablet. They call it a phone tablet, so that's why it's a phablet. But anyway, I'm liking it. I can't wait for this weekend to fly it, but I'm connected and I have the latest firmware, so I'm finished here. Awesome. So I can just close that. Cool. So I'll leave the descriptions below. Thanks for watching.